Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to pause all notification on threads. Maybe you need a break from constant notification or simply want some peace and quiet time. So today I'm going to show you how to pause all notifications on threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner, you will see this three lines icon. Simply tap on it to access the settings page. Within settings, look for notifications option and tap on it. In this page, you will now see this pause all feature. Now to disable this feature, simply toggle on the switch next to this option. A menu will pop up and here select how long you want to pause all notifications. For example, I will choose 2 hours. After that, you now have successfully paused all notifications on threads. Now, threads won't bother you anymore with constant notifications for a specific duration, giving you some peaceful time to focus on other things. There you go. If you wanted to know how to pause all notifications on threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to pause all notifications on threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.